A modern building will encourage us to learn better.
Why should people donate to our new madrasa?
Because your donations will only benefit you in the hereafter.
What do we want to see in our new building?
It will have a lot more facilities and the latest technology to help us in our Islamic studies.
We really need your support, and the old madrasa was really old and was falling apart, so please donate generously.
The Prophet ﷺ said, when a person dies, his deeds come to an end except for three things. The first is sadaqah jariyah, continuous benefit. The second is knowledge that is beneficial. And the third is a pious child that's going to pray for you in the hereafter. Support this amazing project. This is not just about building a madrasa, it's about investing in the future, investing in our children. Our vision is a state-of-the-art educational facility for Islamic learning. A building that's going to be used by the entire community. It's the month of Ramadan. The ask is £1 each day, just £1 each evening in Ramadan. Remember, it's the month of barakah, it's the month of blessings. £1 and one deed can be multiplied during this month by 70 times. And if it happens to be Laylatul Qadr, the night of power, then deeds and actions could be multiplied over as if they've been performed over 83 years. The Prophet ﷺ said, خَيْرُكُمْ مَنْ تَعَلَّمَ الْقُرْآنَ وَعَلَّمَهُ, that the best of you is the person who learns the Qur'an and teaches it. Not every one of us can learn the Qur'an throughout our lives. Not every one of us can teach the Qur'an. But some of us can assist those that teach the Qur'an, and by participating in this project, you'll be taking part in that as well. We humbly ask you as a community, dig deep and donate.